What's up? So I gotta keep it down because tomorrow morning, Jyoti and I are going to Montreal, taking her there for her birthday. I'm cooking her lunch by the beach on the way to Montreal and Kingston, and she has no idea. So I've got fresh thyme, okay? I'm just putting it in a 1/4 liter container. Got some butter. I've got some king oyster mushrooms, truffle sea salt. Oh yes, this is gonna be amazing. Extra virgin olive oil with chili pepper. Her favorite sourdough bread. We're gonna slice this up. We're gonna grill this. That is basically what I have going on. I want her to have a nice lunch on the way there, and can't forget this ingredient, which I'm gonna grab right now, which is lemon. I'm gonna make sure that that beautiful king oyster mushroom and some portobello mushrooms are sliced with nice butter, lemon, garlic, onions, and thyme. Beautiful flavors, and that truffle salt. It's gonna be beautiful. I can't wait to cook this. I'm gonna try to find a nice place near the lake. I'm trying to sneak this into the car without her knowing. It's gonna be a tricky one. All right, stay tuned. So, do you know why we're in Kingston?
I have no clue what's happening right now.
I mean, I got some lunch here since you're hungry and your husband's a chef.
What's happening right now?
You don't know?
No! What the hell? What the hell is going on?
Cooking you some lunch by the lake.
What do you mean?
Ingredients here. I've got my propane tank, I've got my stove, I've got my cutting board, and my... So what happens when you marry a chef? You look shocked.
I'm so shocked right now.
Happy birthday.
Papa?
It's kind of windy though, so I don't know if it'll work, but we'll see.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go eat some lunch. Oh shit.
Okay, so we're in Kingston in a random park, and my amazing husband just surprised me by cooking me a little lunch by the lake. The issue is, we got the wrong propane tank, so now it's gonna go to Canadian Tire. I'm just sitting here hanging out, waiting, enjoying the view, enjoying the weather. I'm just so amazed right now. This man can still be so romantic, and he can still surprise me so much. I literally thought we were gonna go pull up to a park and maybe hit sandwiches, or Uber Eats it, and just hang out in a park. I had no idea that this is what he had planned. He pulled out, he had hit it under the flap of where the tire is, and he had pulled out a cutting board, a pot, a cutting board and a pot, this container that has the stove in it, this tank, and then all the groceries are right there. I haven't peeked, I haven't checked what he's making, but he's asked me not to look. I did see though, and he let me see sourdough bread, which is my favorite type of bread. So this is exciting. I can't wait to see what he makes me.
You know what, maybe we should go to
It's a windy day.
that bench over there.
So we moved because it was really windy over there. Now we're trying it over here.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Fire.
Let's get this party started.
What are we making, Ricky?
So, I'm going to start off with these king oyster mushrooms. Because I know you like your mushrooms.
Oh, we have water, paper towel to give them a clean.
Because, when you're out in the wild, what happens?
In the wild.
Just going to give it a nice clean. How are you enjoying your birthday so far?
I'm really enjoying myself. This is pretty damn amazing. You're so cool.
It smells good.
You brought separate knives and everything.
I did. Okay, so, we're going to start out with some extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to put that right on there. And we're going to let us do its magic. Let's cut some of our mushrooms.
Too cool.
They're nice oyster mushrooms, king oysters. So stopping at
En route?
en route. Why not cook something?
I love it. This is awesome. Great view of the lake right beside us.
I've got some king oyster mushrooms, some portobello mushrooms, some fresh garlic, lemon, truffle salt from Paris. Oh, beautiful. We got some onions, some herbs, some thyme, sourdough bread, nice spicy olive oil, and we're just making a nice crust on that bread, and we're going to put that mushroom right on top. Oh yes. How you doing?
I'm doing so good. If they can only smell what this smells like right now.
So right now I've got some onions and garlic sauteing here. Nice and golden, translucent. I'm gonna put some of those creminis in there, the oysters. Beautiful. This is the beauty of outdoor living. You can literally buy one of these burners for 25 bucks, like 4 or 5 bucks for the propane, and you can cook anywhere you want. One here. The only thyme or rosemary, excellent. With mushrooms, butter, garlic. What else can you ask for, guys? That's how we do it at Rick's Goodies. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful mixture. Once this is cooked down, I'm gonna finish it with this beautiful truffle salt. I use this on everything. We literally make toast at home. Put a little bit of olive oil, salt, toast it off on the grill in the morning for breakfast. Mwah, beautiful. Look at that sourdough bread. You know, nice little crust. Those beautiful juices from the mushroom.